Pravesh. Yes. So, are you all ready for new class, social class?
Yes, miss.
Yeah. In the last class, we discussed about textiles, all the industries and all. Just this time, we will have some fun. Yes or no?
Okay, miss.
Yeah. Okay. So, are you all ready?
Yes,
Yes,
miss.
Yakub. Are you ready? Yes,
Yes,
Hemant. Good morning, Hemant. Yeah, can you hear me? Yeah. Nana, is my voice audible for you on?
yes, miss.
Yeah, fine. Yes. Yeah, Zainab. Very good morning, Aniket. Zainab, Jashwita, keep your video on, Nana. Yes. So, children, see, I will ask you some questions.
Okay, miss.
Yeah. Which before that, everyone, I will keep you all in the mute mode. When I am asking the question, listen carefully. Then
Okay,
write
miss.
your answer in the chat box. Clear?
Okay, miss.
Everyone, clear? Show your digital thumb if you are clear. Good
Yes,
morning,
miss.
Tanvi.
Clear,
Yes,
miss.
very good. So, let me keep you all in the mute mode. Okay? Everyone, if you know the answer, just you have to use the chat box and you have to type. Clear, Nana?
Yes,
Yes.
Okay.
Very good. Yeah, children. My question is, which festival do we celebrate? Yeah? Which festivals do we celebrate? By using the chat box, you have to write down the answer. Yes, Hasini. Yeah, Diwali. Wow. All festivals. All festivals means you have to name some festival. Can you, Aravind? Yeah, which festival you like the most? Yeah, you're saying only Diwali. Okay. Yes, speed it. Yeah, Eid. Very good, Yakub. Eid, Diwali. Superb. Pongal. Wow, Jashwita. Superb. Pongal, Diwali. Yes. Then, still, Merry Christmas. Oh, upcoming, no? Upcoming festival. Yeah. Yes, very good. Pongal. Yes. Christmas. Wow. Yes. Dasara. Super. Okay. Among these festivals, which festival do you like the most? Yeah, Nana? Which festival do you like the most? So many festivals we will celebrate, no? Yeah. Pongal, Diwali, Merry Christmas, Eid. Super. Very good. Yeah. So, yes, Hemant, use the chat box and write down, Nana. Nainika, you like Holi? Very good. Miss, is New Year a festival? Yes, of course, New Year is a festival. But for us, Ugadi. ఓకే మనం ఉగాది చేసుకోవాలి నాన్న అదే మనకి న్యూ ఇయర్ ఓకే ఉగాది అనేది ఏంటి తెలుగు పీపుల్ యా మనందరికీ కూడా ఉగాది అనేది న్యూ ఇయర్ ఎస్ Yes, Eid. The Muslims will celebrate the festival of Eid. Okay, Ramjan. Do you know Ramjan, Nana? Aravind? Yes, very good, Hemant. But you have to write not be, Nana, just use the spelling mistake. Okay? Yes, on this festival, how you will decorate? మీరు దివాళీ అన్నారు కదా నాన్న చూడండి ఇవాళ మనం 2 ఫెస్టివల్స్ గురించి చెప్పుకుందాం సరేనా ఒకటి దివాళీ అండ్ ద అదర్ వన్ ఈస్ క్రిస్మస్ ఐ విల్ షో యూ సమ్ పిక్చర్స్ యూ సీ నాన్న by seeing that you have to say what is that yeah can you see my picture Yeah. Can you see
Diwali.
my screen? Yes.
Diwali.
Who is that? Who is scribbling? Yes, Zainab. Don't touch the screen, baby. Yeah.
Deepavali
Very.
में
One after one, you have to say.
Diwali में
Yes. This is the festival that you will celebrate. When you will celebrate Diwali, Nana? Use the chat box and write down. See, you can call the Diwali as what you will call, which festival it is. Yeah, which festival it is. Use the chat box and write down the answer. Yeah, Srijamas, you're super, Prem Saran. Give a digital clap to Prem Saran. Yes, very good, very good. Oh, in winter we will celebrate. Yes, Festival of Lights. Very good, Jashwita. So for Jashwita also, give a digital clap. Give a digital clap, Nana. Yes, Diwali. Nana, in which month do we celebrate Diwali? Very good, Chaitra. Yes. Yeah. In which month do we celebrate Diwali? Do you know? Yes, October, November. Both are correct. Very good. Prem Saran, very good. Jashwita, yeah, very nice of you. So, in the month of October or November, we will celebrate Diwali. Yes. As you all said, it is the festival of lights and see, in winter, very good, Satvik. Okay. Then we know about Diwali. Yes. Now, in which month do we celebrate Christmas? I'm showing the Christmas. You see, Nana? Yeah? Who is he? Can you name him? Yeah? In winter, December. Can you say the date? Who is he, Nana? 24? Yes, Jashwita, very good. 25th. Yes, December 25th you will celebrate Christmas. Yeah, who said Santa Claus? Yeah, very good. What he will do? What he will do? Use the chat box, Meghana. Use the chat box. Yes, Hemant. Gifts. He will give gifts. Very good, Aniket. Yeah, the people will say yes or no. మనకి శాంతా క్లాస్ వస్తే బోల్ అని గిఫ్ట్స్ తీసుకొస్తారు అని చెప్తారా? మీరు ఎలా విష్ చేసుకుంటారు నాన్న ఒకళ్ళకొకళ్ళు క్రిస్మస్ రోజు? యా, గివ్ గిఫ్ట్స్. వెరీ గుడ్. Have you will wish each other? Yes, Satvik. Have you will wish each other? Oh, Satvik, very good. Yeah, Merry Christmas. Very nice of you. You will wish one and another Merry Christmas. Yes or no? Yes. Now you said already when is Diwali celebrated and Christmas. How many of you celebrate Diwali? Just show your thumb, digital thumb. How many of you celebrate Diwali? Yeah, Jashwita, very good. Tanish, very good. Yeah, yes, Pregna, you won't celebrate Diwali? Yeah, superb, Zainab. Hemant, will you celebrate Diwali? Very good, Havish. Navya Siri. Yeah, very good, superb. So now my question is, how many of you celebrate Christmas? Yeah, Hindus celebrate Diwali. Superb answer. Yeah, oh, yes. Only Aniket? Yes, Jashita, super. How many of you celebrate Christmas? క్రిస్మస్ అంటే ఎవరు సెలబ్రేట్ చేసుకుంటారు నాన్న? యా ఎస్ లాసియా, కీప్ యువర్ వీడియో ఆన్ బేబీ. యా I will celebrate all festivals. Superb, Satvik. Christians, yes. Mainly the Christians will celebrate the Christmas. Very good. Why are these celebrate, Nana? ఇవన్నీ మనం ఎందుకు జరుపుకుంటాం? Why are these celebrated? Yes. To enjoy, to be happy. Very good. Yes, I want still more responses from you all. Yeah. Yes. Yes, Ishwari. To be fun. Superb. I made. So what? Yes, Yakub. According to their religion, they will celebrate. Very good. To do good things. Superb. Yes. Now you see, why we will celebrate Diwali means Diwali is celebrated in North India as Lord Rama returned to Ayodhya. ఓకేనా? అయోధ్య వచ్చారని చెప్పి రాముడు, నార్త్ ఇండియన్స్ దే విల్ సెలబ్రేట్ లైక్ దట్. వై వీ విల్ సెలబ్రేట్? రావణాసుని చంపేశారు, అందుకని అదొక దీపావళి పండుగలాగా మనం చేసుకుంటామా నాన్న? అందుకే మనం ఆ రోజు దీపాలన్నీ వెలిగిస్తామా? Yeah. Why do we celebrate Christmas? It is celebrated as birthday of Lord Jesus Christ. Okay. ఆయన బర్త్డే రోజు. ఎప్పుడు ఆయన పుట్టారు? December 25th. ఓకేనా? That's why we will celebrate it as Christmas. Zainab, said properly. Yes. Now, what are Diwali and Christmas? మీరు 2 ఫెస్టివల్స్ గురించి తెలుసుకున్నారు కదా ఇవాళ. ఆ రెండింటిని మనం ఏ ఫెస్టివల్స్ అంటాం? ఎస్, విచ్ ఫెస్టివల్స్? కెన్ యూ సే? కెన్ ఎనీవన్ సే విచ్ ఫెస్టివల్ దోస్ టూ ఆర్? యా, వాట్ ఆర్ దివాలి అండ్ క్రిస్మస్? Religious, superb. Again digital clap for Prem Saran. Yeah, they both are religious festivals. Okay. Diwali is a religious festival of Hindus. Okay, Nana? Christmas is a religious festival of Christians. Okay. Then, now you see, on Diwali, people light clay lamps and candles. మనం ల్యాంప్స్ అవి చక్కగా ప్రమిదల్లో దీపాలు పెట్టి మీ మమ్మీ వాళ్ళు పెడతారా లేదా? మీరు అప్పుడు చాలా ఎంజాయ్ చేస్తారు, అవునా? చక్కగా లక్ష్మీదేవికి పూజ చేస్తారు. అండ్ దే విల్ కీప్ ఆల్ ద ఫ్లవర్స్, అవునా? చక్కగా ఫ్లవర్స్ అన్నిటితో డెకరేట్ చేస్తారు హౌస్ ని, అవునా? మీరు చేసుకున్నారా లేదా నాన్న? ఎస్ హవీష్, విల్ యూ డూ? విల్ యా మదర్ విల్ సెలబ్రేట్? ఎస్ ఆర్ నో? యా, లైక్ దట్. యూ ఆల్ కెన్ ఈట్ డెలిషియస్ స్వీట్స్. ఎస్ ఆర్ నో? మీ మమ్మీ గులాబ్ జామ్ చేశారా? ఎస్, గులాబ్ జామ్, యా, ఖీర్, ఆల్ షీ కెన్ డూ. Then on Christmas, families, friends get together to pray in church. Okay. All the festivals we have to celebrate, but these are, you can call it as religious festivals. Okay. Then sing carols, eat delicious Christmas cakes and pudding. Avuna? They will eat the delicious cakes. And they decorate the Christmas tree and exchange gifts with each other. Their family members, they all will sit together, they will enjoy, they will eat the cake and they will wish each other as Merry Christmas. Okay. Then children get gifts from Santa Claus. Yeah, now it's my question. Listen the question carefully and answer. Can you think of anything special you do on a festival? మీరు ఇంతకన్నా ఇంకేనా చేస్తారా నాన్న? Can you think what you will do? What are the things that you will do on the festival day? Yeah, cakes, yes. ఇంకేం చేస్తారు నాన్న? నేను కొన్ని మీకు చెప్పాను. యా యూ విల్ ప్లే. వెరీ గుడ్ లాసియా, యూ విల్ ప్లే. ఐ నాట్ గెట్ గిఫ్ట్స్. వై? ఓకే. ఎస్, చాక్లెట్స్. వావ్. ఓకే సాత్విక్, లిసన్. Go to temple. Super, Prem Saran. You will eat sweets. Very good. Yeah, Satvik. Very nice. You can wear the new clothes. Yes, very good. చక్కగా న్యూ డ్రెస్ వేసుకుంటారు, టెంపుల్స్కి వెళ్తారు. అదే క్రిస్టియన్స్ అయితే చర్చ్కి వెళ్తారు. వెరీ గుడ్. దెన్ వాట్ ఆర్ ద థింగ్స్ దట్ యూ విల్ డూ? యూ విల్ ఈట్ స్వీట్స్. ఎస్, యూ విల్ ఈట్ ద స్వీట్స్. Yeah. Yes, these are the things that you will do on a festival. Yes. So now, everyone, open your TB page number 8, Nana. Everyone, take the pencil, take out the pencil. Open page number 8 from your TB. Yes, you have to rejoin. Now you have to open page number 8 from your TB. Are you all ready? Page number 8. Siri, now you are eating. What's the time now? Yes. Yeah, Festival of Lights. See, festivals of India, Nana. Everyone should keep the pencil. When I am reading, yesterday have you did like that? In the same way, you have to keep your pencil here. Keep, Nana. Are you all ready? Yes. Shall I start? Shall I start? Why? What happened, Anushri? You want time? Yes, very good. Yeah, very good, Zainab. Yes, everyone should keep your finger when I'm reading. Kartikeya, keep your video on, baby. Yeah. Aravind, you didn't get any gift, huh? Okay. This year you try. Okay. Okay, Aravind? Yes. Okay. Children, see. Festivals of India. Festivals are special days which we celebrate with family and friends. Yes or no? These are the special days and which we celebrate. Celebrate means what? You all will enjoy. అవునా? అవునా కాదా? మీరు ఎంజాయ్ చేస్తారు. ఎవరితో ఎంజాయ్ చేస్తారు? That with family as well as with your friends. Before day. మనకు చూడండి నాన్న, రేపు దివాళీ ఫెస్టివల్ అనుకోండి. అవునా కాదా? మనం రేపు దివాళీ ఫెస్టివల్ ఇంట్లో ఉందనుకోండి, ఆ రోజు ఏం చేస్తారు? మీ ఫ్యామిలీతో ఎంజాయ్ చేస్తారు. అదే బిఫోర్ డే వి ఆల్ విల్ డెకరేట్ అవర్ స్కూల్. అవునా? మనం బయట అసెంబ్లీ హాల్లో చక్కగా దీపాలన్నీ పెట్టుకున్నామా లేదా? అలాగే ఏ ఫెస్టివల్ అయితే అది మనం ఎంజాయ్ చేసామా లేదా? విత్ యువర్ ఫ్రెండ్స్ యూ ఆల్ విల్ సెలబ్రేట్ ద ఫెస్టివల్. దెన్ సీ, In India, we have many religious, harvest, and national festivals. There are 3 types of festivals in India. What are religious festivals? Like Diwali, Christmas, Eid, Guru Purab, according to their religion, they will celebrate. Okay? And harvest అంటే ఏంటన్నా? పాడి పంటలు అంటారు తెలుసా మీకు? For the crops, they will celebrate the festival. అవునా, గుడ్ క్రాప్స్ కోసం హార్వెస్ట్ ఫెస్టివల్స్ అనేవి సెలబ్రేట్ చేస్తారు. అదే నేషనల్ ఫెస్టివల్ అంటే ఏంటి? లైక్ ఇండిపెండెన్స్ డే, ఓకే, రిపబ్లిక్ డే. దీస్ ఫెస్టివల్స్ ఆర్ సెలబ్రేటెడ్. ఓకే, హౌ మెనీ టైప్స్ ఆఫ్ ఫెస్టివల్స్ ఆర్ దేర్ ఇన్ ఇండియా? Yeah, how many types of festivals are there in India? 3 types. One is religious, second one is harvest, and the third one is national festival. Very good, very good. Now you see religious festival. According to religious, we will celebrate the festivals. No, let's in today's class, let us discuss about Diwali and Christmas. Okay. Hey Hemant, sit properly. Where is your TB? Yeah. Now, yes, Akshara, can you read?
Miss?
Can you read religious festival, Nana?
Miss and Zainab, can I read, Miss?
I will give a chance for everyone. Okay? Yes, Havish, keep your finger. Yeah.
That are celebrated by different countries. Some religious festivals are Diwali.
Yes, enough, Nana, enough. Yeah. Now you see, Nana, India has many religious festivals that are celebrated by different people across the country. మన ఇండియాలో చాలా ఫెస్టివల్స్ ఉంటాయన్నమాట, రిలీజియస్ ఫెస్టివల్ దట్ వీఆర్ సెలబ్రేటింగ్. According to the country, according to the place, they will celebrate. Okay? Now, Anushvi, can you read?
Miss,
Yes.
you can't listen.
You can't listen. Now you read from here. I'm keeping finger, no. Read louder, baby.
She didn't unmute, Miss.
Anushvi, first you unmute yourself. Unmute yourself and read. Yeah, start. Yes. Yeah. Religious.
Some religious festivals are Deepavali,
Yes. Gurpurab.
Purpura,
Yes.
Eid,
Yes.
and Christmas.
Very good. Yes. Some of the religious festivals are Diwali. Diwali. Who will celebrate Diwali, Nana?
Me.
Yeah. Hindus. Gurpurab. Yeah. Gurpurab who will celebrate? Wait, let me complete. I will give a chance to everyone. Okay. Gurpurab who will celebrate? Sick people. No, sick people. No, six will celebrate the Gurpurab. Eid. Who will celebrate? That is also one type of religion, Nana. How are Hindus, Muslims?
Celebrate
Yeah.
Eid.
Very good. Yes. Yes. Muslims will celebrate Eid and Christmas. Christmas, who will celebrate? Yes, Yakub. Very good. Who will celebrate the Christmas festival? Which religion will celebrate Christmas? Yeah?
Christians.
Yes. Very good. Yes. Christians. Very good.
Festival means Christmas is Christian's festival.
Yeah. Yes. Very good. Now you see Diwali. Diwali is celebrated by Hindus in October or November. In the month of October or November, this Diwali festival will be celebrated. Okay. Who will celebrate? The Hindus. Okay. Then people believe that on this day Lord Rama returned to Ayodhya after killing Ravana. రావణాసురుణ్ణి చంపేశాక రాముడు వచ్చారంట అయోధ్యకి. అందుకని వాళ్ళు దివాళీ సెలబ్రేట్ చేసుకున్నారు. ఆర్ ఆన్ దివాళీ పీపుల్ లైక్ క్లే ల్యాంప్స్ ఆఫ్ ఆయిల్. నూనెసి దీపాలు వెలిగిస్తారా నాన్న? ఎస్ ఆర్ నో? యా. Families get together and pray. They all will sit together. They will read slokas and all, and they will pray the goddess Lakshmi. Okay? Then they wear new clothes. ఏదైనా ఫెస్టివల్ వస్తే మీరు పాత బట్టలు వేసుకుంటారా, కొత్త బట్టలు వేసుకుంటారా? Which clothes you will wear? Use the chat box. Which clothes you wear? Yes, Ishwari. Siri, Navya Siri, where are you? Yes, new clothes you all will wear. Then what will happen? Friends and relatives exchange gifts. అవునా? ఒక్కళ్ళకొక్కళ్ళు గిఫ్ట్స్ ఇచ్చుకుంటారు. మీ ఫాదర్ మీకు తీసుకొస్తారా లేదా నాన్న? మీకు న్యూ క్లోత్స్ కొంటారా ఏదైనా ఫెస్టివల్ వస్తే? Yes or no? Your parents will buy the new clothes for you? Yes? Yeah. Dry fruits and sweets. Your mother will prepare the sweets. You all will enjoy. Diwali is also known as the festival of lights. What we can call? It is also known as the festival of lights. Navya, stop eating. After the class, you go and eat. Now you listen the class. Yeah. Now, Christmas. See, Nana, Christmas. Christmas is celebrated by Christians on 25th December. Okay. On 25th December, the Christians will celebrate the Christmas as the birthday of Jesus Christ. Okay. It is his birthday. That's why the Christians will celebrate the Christmas. Which day? Which day they will celebrate? 25th December. Okay? Yes. Now everyone listen. Children. Yeah. See, on this day, families usually eat things such as Christmas cake. Yes or no? Yeah? Christmas cake they will eat. Meat. Meat they will eat and pudding together. Okay. Yes. Most families decorate Christmas trees with bells and stars. I'm showing you, see, how will be the Christmas tree. I'm showing you, see, Nana. See, with bells and stars, the Christmas tree was decorated. Avuna? Stars. Enti bayata pettukuntara nana Christmas star ani? క్రిస్టియన్స్ హౌసెస్ లో చూసామనుకోండి, బయట ఒక స్టార్ పెట్టుకుంటారు. అలాగే లోపల ఏం చేస్తారు వాళ్ళు? క్రిస్మస్ ట్రీ పెట్టుకుని దానికి ఒక బాల్స్ కింద డెకరేట్ చేసి అలా వాళ్ళు చాలా బాగా డెకరేట్ చేస్తారనమాట. Okay, see here the Christmas tree, how it was decorated with the stars, with the gifts, with the balls, all they decorate. People sing carols, wear new clothes and exchange gifts. మనం ఎలా అయితే హిందూస్ ఫెస్టివల్స్ లో శ్లోకాస్ అవి చెప్పుకుంటాము, అలాగే వీళ్ళు క్యారల్స్ పాడతారు అనమాట. ఓకేనా? And exchange gifts. Some people dress up as Santa Claus and distribute gifts to children. కొంతమంది ఏం చేస్తారు, శాంతా క్లాస్ లా రెడీ అయ్యి చిన్న పిల్లలు ఉంటారు కదా, వాళ్ళందరికీ కూడా చాక్లెట్స్ కానీ లేకపోతే చిన్న చిన్న టెడ్డీ బేర్స్ కానీ అలాంటివి గిఫ్ట్స్ గా ఇస్తారనమాట. ఓకేనా? ఈస్ దట్ క్లియర్ రిగార్డింగ్ దివాలి అండ్ క్రిస్మస్? Okay, now I will ask you some questions. You have to answer to my question. On which month do we celebrate Diwali? మీట్ అంటే ఏంటి నాన్న? మీట్ అంటే ఏంటి? వేరే ఒక యానిమల్స్, మీరు చికెన్ కానీ మటన్ కానీ తింటారు కదా, అది మీట్. పుడ్డింగ్ అంటే ఏంటి? మీరు కేక్స్ తింటారా? కేక్స్ కానీ లేకపోతే ఏమైనా డెలిషియస్ స్వీట్స్ కానీ అవన్నీ కూడా పుడ్డింగ్ అంటారు అనమాట. ఓకేనా? స్వీట్స్, రకరకాల స్వీట్స్ చేసుకుంటారు, కేక్స్ చేసుకుంటారు, దాని పైన అంతా కూడా సాఫ్ట్ గా ఉంటాయి, చూసారా? ఎస్. నవ్ యు సీ. ఎస్. ఇన్ విచ్ మంత్ డూ వి సెలబ్రేట్ దివాలి? Yes, everyone should rejoin. Very good. October or November. Superb. Who gave the answer? Who said the answer? Yes, Hasini. Give a digital clap for Hasini. First she said, give a digital clap for Hasini. Very good. Then, in which month do we celebrate Christmas? With the date you have to say. With the date you have to say. November 14th. This year we celebrated November 14th. But last year, every year, the Diwali date will be changed, Nana. Very good, Nainika. Yeah, super. Very good. Yes, yes, Shweta. Super. 25th December, we will celebrate Christmas. Very good. Who will dress up to give gifts and all on the Christmas tree? ఆయన ఏమంటారు నాన్న? ఒకళ్ళు డ్రెస్అప్ అయ్యి వస్తారు గిఫ్ట్స్ అవి ఇవ్వడానికి. ఆయన ఏమంటాం మనం? ఏమంటాం? యా, శాంటా క్లాస్. వెరీ గుడ్, ప్రేమ్ సరణ్. దిస్ టైమ్ ప్రేమ్ సరణ్ gave. Now, you can call Diwali as which festival? దివాళీని ఇంకేమంటారు మనం? యా, కెన్ యూ సే? Diwali is also known as? Make it fast, make it fast, make it fast. Lighting. Oho. Shanta, very good, Hemant. Lights festival. Okay, I want the correct answer. You came nearby. Prem Saran. Religious festival. Okay, very good. Christmas is also religious festival. Yes, Zainab. Now, give a digital clap for Zainab. She said Festival of Lights. Very good. Yes. Very good. Now, everyone, open your worksheet, Nana. Open your worksheet, page number 10. Yes, Fatima, open your worksheet, page number 10. Very good. Excellent answers given by all the students. Ishwari, did you open? Pragnya? Yes. Are you all ready? Sakshit, keep your video on. Kartikeya? Nana, I'm giving 2 minutes time for you. Just go and have some water and again come back. Again, everyone should rejoin. You have to complete in this class worksheet S1. Okay? Quick. I am giving 2 minutes time for you. Again with the same link, you all should rejoin. 2 minutes time ఇస్తున్నాను. ఫాస్ట్ గా వెళ్ళి ఫాస్ట్ గా వచ్చేసేయాలి. మళ్ళీ ఇదే ఐడితో జాయిన్ అవ్వండి అన్న. సరేనా? యూ హ్యావ్ టు డూ ద వర్క్ షీట్. క్లియర్? గో మేక్ ఇట్ ఫాస్ట్. Christmas will be celebrated.
December 25th. December
Yeah, yes, very good. Very good. December 25. Yeah. Now, what the people will do on Diwali day?
Decorate Christmas tree.
Yes. Diwali day they will decorate Christmas tree. No, the people will clean the lamps. Yeah, very good. Yes, on the Christmas day they will celebrate the Christmas tree and all. Now, open your worksheet, Nana, page number 10. ఓపెన్ చేశారా? ఈ రోజు డేట్ వేయండి ఇక్కడ. ఈ రోజు డేట్ ఎంత? వాట్స్ టుడేస్ డేట్? What is date means? You are asking me 11. Keep 11 dash.
Amma, pencil eraser ivi.
Hey, you have to go and bring. Your mother will give you. So, yeah, children, you understood this? Diwali will be celebrated by Hindus and Christmas will be celebrated by who will celebrate? Christians. Yeah. And in the month of October, Satvik, don't draw anything on the screen. Erase that. In the month of October or November, the Diwali festival will be celebrated. In the month of December 25th, the Christmas will be celebrated. Like that, on Diwali day, our full house will be decorated with lamps and you will burn the crackers. Yes or no? And on the Christmas day, the people will decorate the Christmas tree. Clear, Nana? Now, everyone, worksheet. Take your worksheet, page number 10. Keep today's date here. 11 dash 12 dash 2020. Okay? Clear? Show your books to me. Everyone, show your books to me. Very good. Yes. Hasini, keep your video on. Jashwita, who is this Galaxy A2? Yes, Anushvi, very good. Okay, Aniket, you can write. I'm showing the book, no? You have to write in your rough notes. Take your rough notes and write down. Yeah. Now you see. Look at the pictures and write the names of the festival in the boxes. Which festival this is, Nana? You have to write in this box. Which festival this is? Which festival? A festival, Nana. Yes. Diwali. Very good, Aniket. You have to write that in this box. Okay? Very good. Very good. Yeah. Very good. See the next picture. Which festival this is? You have to write here. Very good, Prem Saran Yakub. All the students, very nice. Yes. Havish, write down. Yeah. Hey, Fatima, are you writing? Yes. Write down. Write down neatly. Completed? Prem Saran completed? Yes, Shashwita completed? Sakshit, keep your video on. Pregna? Yes, Pregna. Keep your video on. Now you see the second question, Nana. What do Diwali and Christmas remind you of? Write 2 or 3 sentences about them. క్రిస్మస్ దివాలి అనగానే మీరేం చేస్తారు నాన్న? With the help of TB you have to write down. Yeah, children. The Diwali remind you of. మీరు ఏం చేస్తారు నాన్న దివాలి రోజు? In which month it will be celebrate? Who will celebrate Diwali? These are the things that you can write. Okay. What you will call Diwali? Diwali is also known as like that the same Christmas. On which day you will celebrate the Christmas? Whose birthday? And who will distribute the gifts to children? Any two points. 1 point here about Diwali, 2 points, and for Christmas also 2 points you have to write down. I am giving 2 minutes time for you to complete these two. Make it fast. No need to say to me. Don't use the chat box. Write down. Write down in your worksheet. Then you have to show me. Show the digital thumb to me. Anishvi, write down. With the help of TB, you can write any 2 points. Third question also the same. What are the special things that you do on Diwali and Christmas? Diwali rose em chestaru? You all said no. I will go to temple. I will wear new clothes. I will burn the crackers. Like that you have to write. Christmas. What are the things that you will do? Your wish that is. What you will eat, how you will dress up, where you will go on Christmas. You can write. Write down, Nana. Who completed, you have to show the worksheet. If you complete these two, S1 will be completed. Yes, Aniket, are you writing? Write down in the rough notes, okay? Yeah, the same you have to write, Aradhya. Pregna, what's this? Oh, completed. Who completed? Aniket completed. Very good. Yes, Pragna, if you keep your video on, I can clarify your doubt. Yes, Pragna, keep your video on so that I can see you. Yes, what's your doubt? Yes, what's your doubt, Pragna? Very good, Akshara. Very good.
Miss, spelling chat spelling miss. Miss, what is cracker spelling miss?
Cracker.
Miss, what is the chat spelling miss?
Church. Then, are you all having any
What
doubts?
is Enjoy spelling?
Enjoy.
Miss, what is the burn spelling?
Burnt. 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 Clear? అందరికీ అర్థమైందా నాన్న?
Completed, Miss Navya.
Those who completed, you can leave the meeting.
Okay. Miss, what is the cracker spelling?
CRACKERS. Completed spelling.
No, Miss. Third question also completed after we should leave.
Yes. Third question, who completed, then you have to leave.
Okay, Miss.
Yeah. Who completed, you have to show the thumb and you can leave. ఏం చేస్తానా? వాట్ ఆర్ ద స్పెషల్ థింగ్స్ యూ కెన్ డూ? దివాళీ రోజు ఏం చేస్తారు? యూ విల్ ఈట్ స్వీట్స్, యూ విల్ వేర్ న్యూ క్లోత్స్, యూ విల్ గో టు టెంపుల్, యూ విల్ డూ లక్ష్మీ పూజ. ఆల్ దీస్ యూ కెన్ కీప్. అండ్ క్రిస్మస్ డే రోజు ఏం చేస్తారు? యూ విల్ గో టు చర్చ్, you will wear the new clothes, you will wish each other Merry Christmas. Yeah, like this you can write down. Jashwita, completed?
Miss, what is church spelling, Miss?
CHURCH.
Completed second question. What is the third question?
Very good. Third question, what are the special things that you do on Diwali and Christmas?
Miss,
మీరు ఇంకా ఏం చేస్తారు? న్యూ క్లోత్స్ వేసుకుంటారా?
Miss, Diwali spelling.
Diwali spelling, it is there on the question only, Nana. DIWALI, Diwali.
Miss, temple spelling.
TEMPLE, temple. TEMPLE, temple. Oi, Satvik, CH completed? Without writing what you are doing, Satvik? Clear? Complete this and post it in the group, Nana. I am ending the class, okay? Bye, children.
Miss,
Complete it and post it in the
spelling?
group.
What is the temple spelling?
TEMPLE. Temple spelling first listen. TEMPLE. Prayer. 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 Prayer.
Miss, one spell again. What is the church spelling? Miss, prayer.
Oi, wait. Prayer, prayer. Then church, church. Clear? Bye, Aradhya. Bye bye. Yeah.
Bye,
Okay,
Miss.
children.
Bye.
Bye,
Bye,
Nana.
Miss.
Bye
Have a
bye.
nice day, Miss. Bye, bye, Miss.
Wish you the same. Bye bye. Have a nice day, children.
Have a nice day, Miss.